Hi, once again it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Today we'll be taking a look at the ASUS TUF Gaming VG27AQL3A monitor. This is an upgraded version of its TUF Gaming VG27AQL3A. As for me, this new model is one of the most affordable 27-inch 1440p G-Sync monitor featuring an IPS panel, WQHD resolution of 2560 by 1440 pixels, a remarkable maximum refresh rate of 180 Hz, and HDR10 support. Among its standout features, this monitor boasts of an 8-bit color depth, rapid 1 millisecond gray-to-gray response time, and a 1000:1 contrast ratio, covering 130% of sRGB and 96% of DCI-P3 color spaces. Additionally, it maintains a low power consumption of less than 23 watts. The device is certified with display HDR 400. As for what's in the box, we've got everything included to get you up and running out of the box. We've got the monitor itself, a stand, some cables, and some documentation. Assembling the stand is a breeze. Just a few clicks and snaps is all you need. I chose to mount it on a monitor arm alongside the ASUS Pro series monitor. I like the fact that it comes with its own cable management system to help you achieve a clean setup. The navigation menu lets you explore a ton of features that comes with the monitor. We've got the Game Plus presets for different genres, shadow boost to brighten dark areas, crosshair overlays, and even FPS counters built in. There's the ELMB sync tech that promises super smooth visuals when you have it turned on. Even though it's a gaming monitor, the sRGB mode is good enough to do some creative work. Being a G-Sync compatible monitor, the monitor also allows for a seamless integration of FreeSync Premium with an anti-blurring mode. You will find 4 buttons and a joystick on the right back side of the monitor. It also comes with 2 internal 2-watt speakers. It offers 2 HDMI 2.0 inputs, supporting WQHD at maximum 144 Hz, a DisplayPort 1.4 compatible with WQHD at up to 180 Hz, a headphone output, and a USB 3.2 hub. As for the performance of the monitor, playing a fast-paced FPS is where the 180 Hz refresh rate immediately shines. Everything is buttery smooth, no ghosting or tearing in sight. The 1 millisecond response time makes every click and action feel instant. Colors look vibrant and punchy thanks to the IPS panel and the sRGB coverage. Even HDR content looks stunning with deeper blacks and brighter whites. After spending some quality time with this monitor, here's my verdict. This monitor is a beast. The super fast refresh rate, smooth visuals, and vibrant colors make it perfect for any gamer who demands the best. If you're serious about your gaming and want a monitor that can keep up or won't break the bank, this definitely is one to consider. Once again, it's Mike from TechMyMoney.com. Stick around for more reviews.